This is your invitation to wake up now and start living your dreams. How do people turn their dreams into reality? Well, part of it is knowing a secret that helps people like you and me live the lifestyle of our dreams. A secret about money. It's no secret that having money is really about whether you have more coming in than you do going out. Seems simple enough, but life often intervenes, and things outside our control start making it more difficult for the cash going in to keep up with the cash going out. Money has been tight for a lot of people over the past few years. You don't have to look too far to find someone who is struggling, and our money just doesn't seem to go as far as it used to. But even in troubled times, some people are still taking dream vacations, driving the cars they always wanted to, and spending their time living the good life. That's because Wake Up Now is showing people a better way to live. They are awakening to a world where instead of paying more, they pay less for just about everything they buy. With the Wake Up Now Vacation Club, you can book a stay at the most popular beaches in the world. From Mexico to Florida to South America to Hawaii, if you can dream it, you can book it. Check out this deal at the Kahana Falls Resort in luxurious Maui, Hawaii. Kahana Falls is just steps away from white sandy beaches. This week regularly runs $1,263, but with the Wake Up Now Vacation Club, your stay in Hawaii would cost you only $394. That's a 69% savings. You can spend time on the things you want to, like growing your business or spending time with your family. Wake Up Now also provides a marketplace where you can shop online, shop at local merchants, and shop for special deals. The marketplace offers thousands of shops and millions of products from stores you shop at now, stores like Walmart, Office Depot, Buy.com, and more. What's the difference? At the Wake Up Now marketplace, your purchases can qualify for special rebates, cash back, and other incentives. When you share Wake Up Now with others, their discount online purchases also generate money for you. Here's how you make money by sharing. Wake Up Now subscribers pay $100 per month for the full suite of products and services. But when you share Wake Up Now with 3 people, your subscription is free. That's right, just help 3 others wake up now to a better life, and as long as you have 3 active, yours is free forever. Wake Up Now is about helping others. When you help your 3 share with 3 others and get their subscription for free, you'll earn $600. This isn't a one-time payment. You'll earn $600 every month. And it just gets better from there. As you continue sharing the Wake Up Now secret and help others do the same, you make more and more money. You can earn $2,000, $4,000, $6,000, $10,000 per month or more. As people join the awakening and, more importantly, live better lives, the benefits flow back to you. Imagine having a job you can never lose. Imagine never worrying about where the money is coming from to pay those bills. Imagine being free to spend more time with your family and having the security that comes from that extra income every month.